Hi students, I'm here to explain to you how to insert a chart into your investigating muscle fatigue lab once you've completed the first part of the lab, working with a partner, doing the exercises and getting your data and putting it in data table 1. So again, you're recording your calf raises over 20-second intervals and you're noticing the effect that muscle fatigue is having on your performance. So what I would like you to do is you're going to create a Google Sheet of your data, and you're going to name that Results of Lab Investigating Muscle Fatigue CAF 20. You don't necessarily need the CAF 20, but I want you to have the results of the lab investigating muscle fatigue in your Google Google Sheets. You're going to set the data up exactly as it is in the data table 1 above, and I'm going to show you. So you're going to create this, and I've already created one, and I put in some dummy data in here for partner 1 and for partner 2 on the calf raises. You don't need to title it or anything at this point. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you want to insert a chart. But as you can see, I have no data here. Well, why is that? And that's because I didn't select any of my data. So you're going to delete that, and then you're going to go over here and you're going to highlight the entire 3 columns here, and then you're going to say insert the chart. So now we have a bar chart, but I don't want a bar chart, and this is actually a stacked bar chart. So I come over here to setup, and I'm going to switch it over to a line chart. And so here I have my line chart, and I look to see if this is making sense. So first of all, I have my different intervals, first 20, second 20, third, fourth, fifth, okay? And here I have my greatest number would be, for data would be 40, which makes sense, and my least would be 0 or less. And I have partner 1 and partner 2, so this should be set up correctly. Now, I want to label my axes, so I would go over here to customize, and I can say that I'm going to customize my chart and axis titles. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my horizontal axis first, my x-axis, and I'm going to give that a title. So my horizontal axis would be the 20-second trials, I guess you could call it, or you could come up with a better name. And then I'm going to switch it over to be my vertical axis. And the vertical axis is going to be the number of calf raises in 20 seconds, I guess. And that automatically works. Now I don't want the title to be partner 1 or 2, so I'll come up here and I'll switch the title. And you can come up with a good title yourself. I'm not going to give it away, but you would title it something of the effect of, and I'm going to say ... because I want you to work on that. And so here is your graph, and it looks good. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you see these 3 dots up in the right. You're going to click on that, and you're going to say copy chart. And when you copy the chart, you're going to go back to your document, and you're going to paste it right here. And it asks you, should I link to the spreadsheet? And yes, you should link to your spreadsheet, because that means any time in the future, if you're going to do this, anytime you update your spreadsheet with new data, it will update your chart. So there we go. And now I have my nice chart, and it looks good. You can play around with customizing your chart in the Google Sheets and change things around a little bit, but definitely take a look to make sure you're actually demonstrating what you wanted to demonstrate. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing your labs.